was nearing the end of another busy day on the island of Sodor. At Ulfstead Castle Station, Caitlin was collecting the last of her passengers to return to the mainland. Then there was trouble.
Oh! What is it?
One of Caitlin's tender brakes was locked on. Caitlin didn't like waiting, but she had to wait. And wait. And wait. Until her tender brakes were fixed. And she was ready to go. But by then, it was already dark. Caitlin hurried back along the mainland through Henry's tunnel. But soon there was more trouble up ahead.
Oh, no! What now?
I'm sorry, Caitlin, but Vickerstown Bridge is closed for maintenance. It won't open again until morning. You must take your passengers back to the station. You will all have to spend the night on the island.
Some of the passengers were very disappointed. But Caitlin liked the idea of spending the night on the island of Sodor.
Oh, sir! I've never spent a night on Sodor before. Can I sleep at Tidmouth Sheds?
Well, I suppose that would be all right. Calm down, Caitlin. I don't know what people get up to on the mainland at this time of night, but on the island of Sodor, people like to get their sleep.
Sorry, sir.
Now take your passengers back to Kelsthorpe Station calmly and quietly. You must consider others.
Caitlin tried to be calm and quiet as her passengers disembarked. But by the time Caitlin was ready to leave, she was far too excited to remember what Sir Topham Hatt had said to her. She forgot all about keeping calm and considering others. At Tidmouth Sheds, all the engines were cooling their fireboxes and resting their pistons until...
Hey, everyone! Wow! A turntable! That looks like fun! Whee! It is fun! Hello, Gordon. You're awake!
Well, I am now. What are you doing here, Caitlin?
Vickerstown Bridge is closed for maintenance. Sir Topham Hatt said I can stay here.
Well, if you are going to stay here, you need to calm down and be quiet. Try letting off a little steam and shutting your eyes.
Oh, but Gordon, it's so exciting. All the tracks were clear. There were no other engines around. I could go really fast.
Oh!
Wake up, Gordon.
Hello, Caitlin. What are you doing here?
Caitlin is spending the night, Percy.
Oh, why don't you go into my berth, Caitlin? You can sleep between Gordon and Thomas.
Oh, wow. Thanks, Percy.
No problem, Caitlin. Good night.
That was nice of Percy, letting me stay here, in his berth. Hang on. If I'm here, what's Percy doing?
He's taking the mail train, so everyone will have their letters in the morning.
Really? That sounds amazing.
Maybe you should see if he'll let you take it instead.
Oh, good idea, Gordon. Hey, Percy, can I take the mail train tonight? Can I? Please?
Percy didn't want to give Caitlin his favourite job. But for the sake of a bit of peace and quiet, he agreed.
Oh, okay, Caitlin.
Yes!
But remember, everyone else on Sodor is asleep. Please be considerate and keep the noise down.
No problem.
Shh.
No problem, Percy.
Caitlin hurried across the island, pulling the mail train. But she was far too excited to remember what Percy had said.
Percy! Hey, Percy!
Calm down, Caitlin.
Sorry, Percy, but I delivered the mail for you. It was so exciting.
Don't you streamlined engines ever stop?
If you're so full of steam, Caitlin, perhaps you could take the flying kipper and deliver the fresh fish from the fishing boats.
Oh, brilliant idea, Henry.
Just remember, everyone is asleep, so be considerate. Keep calm and don't make too much noise.
Caitlin was very excited. She had never stayed up all night before. As she rushed to deliver the flying kipper, Caitlin soon forgot all about what Henry had said to her. And when she saw the sunrise over the sea, she could hardly hold in her steam.
Good morning, Sodor!
By the time Caitlin got back to Tidmouth sheds, she was very tired.
Good morning, Caitlin.
Oh, hello, Thomas. Hi, everyone.
Caitlin was finally ready to rest when Sir Topham Hatt arrived. Then there was trouble.
Percy, what were you thinking about? Thundering through the stations and blowing your whistle. And Henry, roaring through the animal park at all hours. Together, you have kept the whole island awake.
But, sir, I didn't take the flying kipper last night.
And I didn't take the mail train.
Then who was it?
It was me, sir.
Caitlin? But I told you to keep quiet and consider others.
Yes, sir. But I forgot because I was so excited about spending the night on Sodor. I just wanted to be really useful. I'm sorry.
I see. Well, you're not the only one who's been working through the night. The bridge has been repaired. Your passengers are waiting. So if you want to be really useful...
Thank you, sir.
So Caitlin went calmly and quietly to collect her passengers. But she was so tired after staying up all night that she fell asleep at the Vicarstown Bridge.
Wake up, Caitlin!
Oh, yes! Right! Of course!
And Caitlin wondered whether staying up all night had been such a good idea after all.